Sara's aesthetic is about accumulation, about excess. And she's not just creating images with her camera, she's really collecting material from all types of sources, discarded photo albums, eBay, fashion advertising, and then combining them in different ways. And so her practice is really one almost of collage or sculpture as much as it is photography. I think a lot of her curiosity about fashion and advertising comes down to notions of feminine beauty, so how beauty standards are continually enforced, how they change over time, and how we often equate beauty or outward appearances with a sense of value, and how that has maybe become more and more enforced in a world where visual information is constantly bombarding you. The title of the exhibition is Source, and that has multiple meanings. I think foremost, we often associate photography with an idea of truth or authenticity, but that notion is really shifting today. As images circulate more freely and are moved around by people with different intentions, it becomes harder and harder to verify that original source, verify that something is true or authentic. But what I love about the title as well is it's a little bit mysterious, the source of something. And I think that kind of captures how many people feel about our changing relationship to images and the digital technologies that are manipulating the visual content we see. There's almost a feeling that it has become a machine beyond our control, beyond our capacity to really understand ourselves, how it is influencing us or shaping our reality.